case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1952, the United States Tax Court heard the intriguing case of Kahler v. Petitioner, which centered around the pivotal question: does receiving money count as income for that year, even if the recipient can't cash the check until the following year? The lawsuit was sparked by a taxpayer who found themselves in such a predicament. They had received a commission check on December 31, 1946, after banking hours, and the issue at hand was whether the taxpayer should recognize the income for 1946 or 1947. The petitioner argued that they shouldn't have to recognize the income unless they had enough time to cash the check before the end of the taxable year. In contrast, the respondent maintained that all items of gross income should be included in the taxable year in which the taxpayer received them. Taking into account relevant statutes and previously decided cases, the court ultimately sided with the respondent. The judges ruled that the taxpayer must recognize the income in the year received, regardless of whether they had enough time to cash the check before the end of the taxable year. The court's decision was based on the belief that receiving a commission check after banking hours on the last day of the taxable period did indeed constitute income realization. The petitioner's argument that the check needed to be cashed before the taxable year's end was rejected, and the court cited the respondent's regulations and similar cases to support their decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.